Okay, so now I've got the top of my bun out here. Do the same thing. Get your airbrush, put a little bit of brown at the bottom. Put about 2 drops in this time. The first time I did just 1 drop of brown. Usually the top part of the hamburger bun is a little bit darker than the bottom. Always test it on a paper towel right next to you and start spraying. And you probably want it a little bit lighter down here and a little bit darker on the top, where it would have cooked a little bit, the oven would have gotten it a little bit darker. And just need a little bit more color and we'll be done. We're ready to put this burger together. This time I have a little bit more brown in there, which is fine because that's the top. Well, obviously I didn't have enough. Okay. Make it a little darker on the top, like I said earlier. Keep it a little lighter on the edges. And voila! Instant hamburger bun. Okay, so here we go. We've got our French fries and we're going to airbrush these. We're going to pretty much do the same thing as the hamburger bun. We are taking just a little bit of the brown, then we're taking our yellow color, fill up the rest of the airbrush with that, spray a little bit off to the side, and we are ready to airbrush. Yeah, there we go. So you want it to be uneven. You don't want a perfect spray all the way over. Just like fries don't always have, they're not a solid color. They have a variation of color. And you really have to do, what you really need to do here is, notice how I'm turning the turntable. The reason I'm doing that is because you could airbrush the one side and then turn it and notice that there's no color on the other side. So just make sure you get both sides. And you can have some be a little darker than others. But they look a lot more realistic here when you have some of the ivory fondant still showing. Make sure you get the ends there too, little tips. And voila! Instant French fries. So now we're ready to go ahead and put our burger together and get the fries on the plate. And we'll be set.